So Lone Star Grillz, 24-inch by 30-inch wide by 36-inch tall vertical offset smoker. This happens to be the larger of the two vertical offset smokers that we make. Next to it, for size comparison, you can see our 24 by 24 vertical offset. These pits are constructed from all new 1/4-inch steel material. We don't use any used material, no reject plate, all grade A, #1 quality. Here we have our multifunction firebox. So we have our exterior lid, 1/4-inch steel. We have our interior griddle plate, also 1/4-inch steel. This allows you to cook directly on this griddle surface. You season this up like a cast iron skillet. Also, you can cook directly on this in a pot, on a pan, and use it as a hot plate. Then you can remove this, which this is going to get left in your firebox while you're cooking. This is going to help protect the exterior lid. Once we remove that hot plate, here inside now you can see our grill top. So now we can use this as a grill and grill directly over a wood or charcoal fire. Open the firebox here, and now we can see that we've got our grill grate. We've got an adjustment rail so that we can lower this down or raise our fire grate up. So if we're just grilling, we can be right on top of the fire to sear that steak or cook those fajitas or whatever it may be. Here you can see our fire grate, which nobody else out there is doing this. We have a 1/2-inch thick laser cut fire grate for the closest thing that you're ever going to get to a lifetime fire grate. It doesn't get any heavier duty than that. This particular grate weighs almost 40 pounds just for this one grate. Again, 1/4-inch firebox, standard. We also offer as upgrades a 1/2-inch thick firebox and also a insulated firebox to increase your efficiencies, and those items can be found on our website. We have our custom made for us in the USA, 304 stainless steel spring handles. These are cool touch handles. These aren't the imitation chrome ones that our competitors use and call them stainless steel. This is the real deal. Our firebox damper control will also come with a spring handle, cool touch. This hasn't been installed because it runs into the wall in our showroom. But you can see that that is very, very, very precise, fine control of your temperature. And dial that all the way back to 180 degrees, low and slow, or crank it up for that hot and fast. 10-inch table, welded, fixed in place. This is the way it comes standard. Expanded metal shelf. As an option, if you're in a constraint space, you want to fold that down, that is an option that we offer as well. We also offer stainless steel table, either fixed or folding. More 304 stainless steel handles. Flanged on all 4 sides, an airtight seal, metal on metal. Nobody does a better fit and finish on their door seals. Nobody finishes the corners. The radius is better than what we do. Nice clean welds. Doors flanged on all 4 sides to hold in that smoke, to hold in and lock that flavor in there, lock that heat inside there. For the most efficient offset smoker on the market. Heavy duty machine hinges. Left open on the female side so you can keep those lubricated so that they don't ever bind up on you. 2 5x5 stacks, fully adjustable for proper air ventilation, proper draw through there, precise temperature control. Made in USA, tell true temp gauge. And these are their new instrument quality gauges that are recalibratable. Notice here, a single handle. You'll notice some manufacturers require more than one. I get asked a lot, can you add another handle? You don't have to add another handle if you know how to make the door seal properly. One handle is all you need to seal that door and hold a nice tight seal. Drip guard on all our doors, so when you're cooking with water and you got lots of humidity, that water and grease will drop back into your pit and not run down the front. Doors welded fully all the way around on the inside on all 4 sides. Again, we want to lock in that heat, lock in that smoke, keep all that inside the pit so that it stabilizes the temperature, makes it easy to maintain, and you're not getting those temperature swings that are so common with this style pit if it's not built right. That's why we take the extra time, frankly, and spend more money on these pits in the fabrication part of it than our competitors do to ensure that this is the best pit on the market. Just like all my offsets, they come with the adjustable tuning plates. A lot of people would think it's not necessary on a vertical style. Makes a little bit more sense on our horizontal pits. However, we want even distribution from right to left and let it rise from bottom to top evenly so that each rack is even left to right. That's why those are essential to have in there. This smoker comes with the 6 slide out racks. The 30-inch wide pit will have 3 removable sausage hangers. So these grates easily can accommodate briskets, medium to small size pork shoulders. Anything larger than that, a large pork shoulder, ham, stand-up chickens, turkeys, just remove the rack. Down below you can see the drain that will come with a cap. We can also add a valve to it to make the clean out easier. You'll notice here that all my pits come with a 3/4 inch port. That's for gas assist if you choose to add that. You don't have to add it when you buy the pit. You can always add it later. That'll be welded in place so that you always have that option. And then it will also be capped so that you're not drawing any air through there. If you decide to get the gas assist later, you just remove the cap, plug in the gas line, and off you're going. Another feature with our pits, we have our CNC custom made stands. Those are 3x3 stands. We bolt in our wheels, so if there's ever an issue, which we don't expect, you can easily replace those. Our wheels are 1,000 pound rated casters. On the Firebox side, we have a fixed caster. The other side, we have our swivel casters. These happen to be our 8-inch upgrade. So our 8-inch upgrade also has a total wheel lock on the swivel side. Our standard caster is our 5-inch caster, also rated at 1,000 pounds. 8-inch give you more leverage on uneven surfaces if you're moving this around a lot, and again, it also gives you the wheel lock. This pit, like all of our smokers, has the ability to put water inside the main chamber to give you that moisture and that humidity while you're cooking. Helps prevent food from drying out. That's a standard feature on all of our pits. It also creates a thermal mass, which helps regulate temperature more evenly. And it also aids in cleanup. When you're done, all the fat and grease drip down into the water, and then you simply flush it out through the valve or the drain when you're done. This larger vertical has enough room to do 2 full-size hotel or foil pans side by side on each rack. If you like to cook in foil pans, this will accommodate 2 pans per rack. Again, only need 1 handle to create that nice tight seal all the way around. So again, this is our 24 by 30 inch offset vertical smoker. For more information, check out our website at lonestargrillz.com or give us a call, 936-344-6151.